offers total no-frost technology, a huge stepping stone in saving time and energy. The total no-frost fridge freezer produces cold air in the freezer. This is then evenly distributed in the fridge cavity at multiple levels via lateral outlet jets at the rear of the fridge cavity. The temperature and humidity in the fridge will remain constant. Food is therefore preserved in optimal conditions and will remain tastier and fresher for longer. That's because the total no-frost system doesn't produce any frost. Therefore, you'll no longer need to ever defrost your freezer again.